Hey guys, welcome to the Real Hacker Hours podcast. This is basically where I just do normal side project work, but I just hit the record button. Today, I am going to be doing some reversing on Apache. Apache is a web server, and this is the first time I've ever looked at Apache, so this is going to be fun. Just cloned the source code for Apache from a mirror, and let's start looking through it. Hang on. Where is it? Here. And okay, let's just first take a look. Does what does this source look? Okay, let's just see what like files we have. Server main.c. Okay, let's take a look at that. That seems like a good place to start. Main.c. Okay, so this is a main function. Cool. Let's just briefly look through it. Process. What is C equal? C char. Where it is. What is C equal here? Here get opt. Okay, I'm not sure what that. Maybe. No, I don't know. Okay, so it's put into a switch statement, then ran through here. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure what C is it's an argument to Apache that's passing through the command line, and here arg. Yeah, that's what's looking like. Okay, cool. Command line. Yeah, that's definitely command line option parsing. Okay, cool. Looking at here, what do we have? Some sort of pool. So one thing I'm just going to say before I get started, Apache most definitely has a ton of functionality under the hood, and we are going to go through some of that. Cool. As much as you can, API cleanup register. Config tree. RC equals okay. So what it looks like here is Apache probably has under the hood, what I'm guessing from just looking at this, a lot of functionality to like segment different like worker processes that do various things, and this probably deals with some of that. Okay, cool. Now let's take a look at some of the other source code files that we have. Server protocol.c, ssl.c. vhost.c. Okay, cool. So one thing I'm going to try doing right now is you have the source code for Apache right here. I'm gonna try compiling it. Reason for that being, if we compile it, we can first off compile it with debugging symbols, which is nice, and at the top of that, it's really nice when you have both the binary and the source code that was used to compile the binary, because with a project like Apache or a ton of other major open source projects, there's a lot of different versions and there might be a mismatch somehow. Okay, with that being said, let's build conf here and install file. Okay, let's see what's in the install file. Configure. Okay, it's asking for the config file. I'm not asking, but stop. What does this file do? No, I'm just going to Google how to compile Apache. How to compile Apache. Let's see. Compiling and installing, yes. Okay, still looking through this. I'm gonna try this version of Apache instead. Hang on a second. Save, yep. Probably gonna take a few seconds. Okay, cool. Let's look at that. Hang on. Oh, yeah, this gzip. Pulled a smooth brain moment. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm back, yeah. So this is, yeah, they extracted Apache source code, and let's go through here. Configure. For now, I'll just use this as, actually, this might be interesting. No. Configure tech prefix equals, let's do user bin. API are not found. What does that mean? Let me. Okay, let's try installing this stuff. APR appears to be some portable library that Apache needs. Okay, Let's let this install. Okay, let's try configuring it again. And okay, that appears to have fixed the problem. Cool, that's looking good. What's the next? Next up is with the make file, let's see if we can compile it. This is going to take a second. I'm going to pause the stream as it's compiling. Okay, I'm back. It's done. Looks like it's done compiling. And I believe this is it. Cannot open a configuration file. No such file directory. Okay, let's first actually define a name. Server root. Okay, yeah, this is looking like we were able to compile Apache. Cool. With that, this file does not exist. Let's try making it. Also, just saying this now, that directory that I did user bin, I probably should have picked a different directory, but oh well. Set this. Okay, let's see. The configuration file that I just made was with touch, so it just creates an empty file. It's probably looking for a conf file that actually is what it expects. So I'm going to, let's see, conf docs. Is there like a sample conf file somewhere? Cat http conf. Okay, this appears to be a sample conf file. I'm going to try copying it to there. So I just copied the sample conf file to, and I'm using that as the one that's HTTPD is using. So let's see if this works. Error. Okay, there's some errors. Let's fix this. Actually, probably gonna have to editing. I'm guessing we're gonna be editing a few things from this conf file. So have it like this. Line 31, server root. Let's do directory. What's a good directory name? HTTP dir. /hackery/HTTP dir. Okay, let's try this. Oh wait, you're not in the same directory. Should probably move the source code out of the downloads directory. Port must be specified. Let's do port 100. Load module. Dynamic. I'm just gonna comment this line out. (117). What is here? Require perhaps misspelled to define it. going to comment that one out. 32. This is what I get for just copying and pasting the example conf file and trying to use it. 158. Might be a better idea if I just installed Apache normally and then just maybe replace the binary, do something like that. Although that could very well bite me. 174. File. To write it. 268. Let's see what's the issue there. Okay. Server name. Could not reliably determine the fully qualified domain name using server name. Okay, I have to set the fully qualified domain name is like the www.google.com. I'm just gonna set this here. Let's do, I don't know, .com. Cannot access hacker HTTP logs. Let's try making that then. Okay, so it started. Cool. Let's see what happens when you try to access it. Oh wait. 27.0.0.1 port 100. Okay, did not reach it. Let's first see, is it even listening? Rip 100. Might help to put an IP address here. No. Okay, hang on a second. What are the commands for this again? No. Well, I'm going to end it off here. See you guys later.